Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to buy Kindle books on Amazon. All right, let's begin. First, open the Amazon app on your mobile device and make sure you are signed into your account. Once you are on the home screen, tap on the three lines menu at the bottom right corner. From the list of options, scroll down and select Kindle Store. This will take you to the section where all Kindle books are available. Now, browse through the store and select the Kindle book you want to purchase. Tap on the book to open its details page. Here you can view the book description, pricing, format options, and user reviews. Scroll down to read reviews if you want more information before buying. Next, choose the format you prefer, such as Kindle edition or paperback, and check the price. After reviewing the details, tap on Buy Now. You will then be asked to select a payment method. Choose a saved payment option or add a new one if needed. You can also apply a gift card or promo code if available. Confirm the purchase to complete the order. So that's basically how you can buy Kindle books on Amazon. That's it for this video. Thanks.